This is another episode on our transformation. Today we want to talk about keeping your hopes alive. You need to keep your hopes alive. A certain man lived. His name is Paul Alexander. This guy was born in the year 1946. At age 6, that was 1952, he was diagnosed of polio, and that led to what we call paralysis, which affected his neck down. And because of that, doctors approved that he needs to be placed in what we call iron lung. He was placed in this iron lung at age 6, and at the ward that he was, he saw a lot of kids around. He made friends with them, but each day the kids were passing on. He heard comments from the doctors and the nurses who were coming around that this guy will die. Today he will die. There's no need for him to live. According to Paul Alexander, this made him very furious, and so he made up his mind that he will not die, he will live. At age 21, he was the only person who was able to graduate from Dallas High School without physically attending a class. He proceeded by moving on to Southern Methodist University in Dallas, where his application was rejected severally. Now the question here is that why was his application rejected severally? It was rejected because of his condition, but he never gave up. He later completed, and then he moved to law school, that is University of Texas in Austin. He came out as a lawyer, and for decades he was a practicing lawyer. This man was living on only the iron lung. I want you to know that today, as I speak, he's now 76 years. Yes, 76 years, and he still believes that he can still live on, and he still relies on the iron lung. This iron lung is created to compress and depress the chest. I know that you might be going through a lot of challenges and difficult times. You are in despair, and I believe that these, when they put them together, it can even reach the rooftop. But before you give up, I just want you to think about this man, Paul Alexander. You need to think about him. As I speak, he's 76 years. Though you might not be worthy today, but at least you can have the food to eat. If you don't have food to eat, I believe that you are in a good health. If you are not in a good health, I think you can still breathe. Now the book of Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11 says, I know the plans that I have for you, says the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and future. Now this man is living happily. He still smiles, and he's a man full of gratitude. Don't give up. Let your hope still remain. And one day you will see another level in your life. This is our transformation. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, and don't forget to press on the notification bell. May the Lord Almighty bless you. Bye-bye.